Viewers, well, I'm going to try microwaving some grapes. Some Menindee seedless there. Just started picking that, so let's do some experiments now. I've seen videos on this previously. These have enough, I think it's the potassium or one of the minerals, the nutrients in it, sparks up and goes crazy, so let's try a whole bunch. I'll stick it in this little container, that way all the juices get contained. Just to failed attempt at cutting the square bottle, but I was almost successful. There's nothing to say there, it's going to fall off. I'll find a good spot to put it. Hopefully that stands up there. No. Alright, try there. Alright, let's power it up. 3, 2, 1. Nothing at all, alright. Let's try something else. Let's try cutting some berries in half and try that. Alright, they've cut up. Let's try it now. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yeah, they seem to do nothing in tech, but when you cut the grapes up, they start sparking. Power off, you can't really hear nothing because of the condenser units going. Smells. You can see those black marks there, it's like metal, it's just acted as an antenna. There you go, it's potassium. I think it's, yeah, the grapes contain a lot of potassium, so that's what's doing it. If you do this to the banana, this will also happen as well. Interesting. Alright, let's try it again. Move them around a bit. Close to the mag. Alright, let's see that. Yeah, you can hear it, but you can't see much of a spark. Try some fresh berries. Get some fresh berries and we'll try again. Okay, viewers, I've got some fresh berries, some grapes. Now I've squashed them down a little bit, trying to squeeze some of that juice out. Let's try again. Hear something going on in there. Some spark up better than others. Power off, unplug safety first. Yeah, not much black marks on that one. It all depends on the berry. But that first lot I did, it did spark. The top of the black spots that were on it. That's where I'm after to. Okay, viewers, I've got a 24 volt, 400 milliamp, 9.6 volt amp transformer, AC output, no rectifier in that one, another 24 volt transformer, 3.6 volt amp, this one's 9.6 volt amp. I'm going to try a little experiment. I've done this before. What you do, you hook the AC 24 volt output into the secondary AC output of this transformer, and out of the primary you get 240 volts, but at absolutely 0 amps. There's no current there whatsoever. So you can actually touch those and get a 240 volt shock, but there's actually no current at all whatsoever. It's actually quite painful. Very cheeky way they shock someone with actual 240 volt, but with no current whatsoever. I'll set the multimeter up and connect it up and we'll show you. Okay, viewers, it's to the 24 volt into the secondary, into the 24 volt secondary of this one. I put the screwdriver across it. You can see a tiny spark. I have shocked myself before by doing this sort of setup, and it bloody hurts. Tiny little sparks. I get my little multimeter. We'll do a voltage check. So what's coming out of those pins equals what's going into the primary, the other transformer. Ah, it's dropped down a bit, 203 volts. That'll still hurt, so don't touch that, even though there's no amps there. Try and get the secondary here. Yep, 25.76 volts out of that other transformer. There you go, that will still hurt. Let's put it on amps. Micro amps. I'm not going to blow the meter up because there's nothing there anyway, so let's plug this in. Let's see what we get. $143.7 microamps. That's the maximum amount of current this transformer's what's coming out of the primary of this wall adapter. That'll still hurt. It's nowhere near enough current to kill you, but it'll bloody hurt, so yeah. It's just under 150 microamps. Milliamps won't tell me anything, but we'll try it anyway. Yeah, it's saying 14.40 milliamp. Yeah, I probably haven't even got it in the right range. I haven't either. Whoops, it's got to be in the comment, not the unplug that. Ugh. For some reason that got seized. Now let's try the amp reading. Milliamps. Nothing. Microamps. Now I'm going to get a decent reading. There you go, that's more realistic. Yeah, nothing. Puts out a hell of a spark, but there you go, 0.002 microamps, but they're 2.6 microamps. Hardly got a good reading. Yeah, still a little bit of current there. I'll get a little neon. We'll plug a neon indicator in this and see if it's enough current there to light it. Okay, viewers, the neon's plugged in. Let's see if there's enough microamps to power this neon. Yep, there you go. It powers it. Short it out. Yep, it works. There you go. Viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.